Ever since Dynamis added the ability to look at more than just medical coverage and be able to incorporate ancillary lines, clients have been asking for a way to show the combined cost across multiple lines of coverage. And now, with the introduction of the combined total cost summary report, we can do exactly that. So here we are in XYZ Manufacturing. I'm at the employer menu. So to access the report, we need to be in the dashboard for one of the lines of coverage. So I'm going to go into the medical so I can access my plan groups and reports menu, and I'm going to choose reports. In the drop-down, I'm going to select the combined total cost summary report. Now for each line of coverage that I have coverage period and plan designs in, I'm going to be able to get an option to drop down and select a coverage period and then a plan group for each line of coverage. So I'm going to go in for each one of these and choose 2018 and choose the current. So in using this report, we see applications where we might be looking at one scenario where we take ancillary with a particular carrier and maybe get a discount on the medical. So being able to use this report, we can show overall impact in terms of total and employer cost for scenarios such as that. Now that I've gone in and selected 2018 in current for each one of my plan groups, let's go ahead and preview that report and then open it in a new window. So with the combined total cost summary report for each line of coverage we're working with, we're going to have a row. And we're going to start with the coverage period so that even though we're annualizing these costs, we can show those lines of coverage that might have different policy periods. We're then going to show the total cost of that plan group, break out any employee contributions, highlight the employer cost, and also show what percentage the employer is spending for each line of coverage. So we can see here the 1.3 million represents 82.3% of the overall employer spend. At the bottom, we're able to combine that total cost and again be able to see the total as well as employee and employer cost across all those lines of coverage. Notice that if we have plan group notes for any of the plan groups we're selecting in this report, those notes will populate here similar to how they do in the coverage period overview report. So the combined total cost summary report gives us an opportunity now to show employer cost across multiple lines of coverage for different scenarios. Please contact support@dynamiscorp.com with any questions regarding the combined total cost summary report.